Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to show you a Amazon sales and traffic dashboard. An Amazon sales and traffic dashboard streamlines data analysis by providing a clear overview of key metrics and trends, making it easier to track performance and identify growth opportunities. They support data-driven decision making by offering insights into sales, customer behavior, and marketing effectiveness. Additionally, they enhance reporting by visualizing important information in a user-friendly and accessible format. This dashboard visualizes various metrics related to Amazon sales and traffic for June 2024. Here's a breakdown of each visual. So first of all, we have two sort of slicers. One is for year and then another one is for month. You can select any of the year or the month you want to visualize the data for. After that, we have some cart visual. One is for sales, which shows us the total sales for the month of June, which is 6 million. After that, we have quantity ordered chart. It is going to show us all the quantities which has been ordered in the month of June. The embedded line graph depicts the fluctuation in the number of orders throughout the month. After that, we have total orders. It is shown in a box with a total of 148k orders. Again, the line graph represents the trend of total orders across different days in June. After that, we have session. It indicates 1.5 million sessions with a decrease of 3.2% from the previous month. After that, we have page views. It displays a total of 3.4 million page views with a 1% increase from last month. Moving forward, we have conversion rate. The rate is shown as 10.06% with a 2.1% decrease from the previous month. After that, we have another visual which is sales trend by date. This line chart compares B2B and B2C. B2B is known as business to business and B2C is known as business to consumer. Sales trends over the month. The x-axis represents the dates in June, while the y-axis shows the sales amount in dollars. Moving forward, we have a donut chart for sessions distribution by platform. It illustrates the distribution of sessions between mobile app and browser. So as we can see that we have more number of sessions from the mobile app, which is 810k. Moving forward, we have another visual which is a bar chart for order fulfillment status. This bar chart shows the number of orders in different stages, which is delivered, shipped, returned, and processing. Each bar is labeled with the corresponding number of orders. So as we can see that we have delivered most of our orders and then around 38k of our products are shipped, followed by return and then processing. Moving forward, we have another visual which is daily orders and conversion rate. It is a combination of bar and line chart. The bars represent the total number of orders each day, while the line graph shows the daily conversion rate. So it is showing us all the 30 days for the month of June, and then we can see how many orders we are receiving on each day. So for example, we received 8,000 orders on day 28. Moving forward, we have the last visual which is top sellers by sales. It is a horizontal bar chart listing the top sellers and their sales amounts. The sellers are ordered by the sales value within the highest seller at the top. So according to the visual, Wade is our highest seller, followed by Shea and then Zen. And as we can see that Samara is the lowest seller among all of them. So overall, this dashboard provides a comprehensive view of Amazon sales performance, traffic statistics, and order processing details for June 2024, allowing users to quickly assess key performance indicators and trends. So this was it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Give us your feedback below in the comments. See you in the next video.